What is a complement in English grammar? Complement is the receiver of action in a sentence. It also refers to the object in a sentence. When a subject performs an action in a sentence, that action will be received by something or someone. This something or someone that receives the action is the complement. For example, Michael killed the rat. The subject in the sentence is Michael. The verb is the word kills. The rat is the complement of the sentence because it is the object that received the action kill. The complement is also the thing or the object that is being talked about in a sentence. Sometimes the complement may not receive any action, but it is rather being talked about. Example 1. He loves swimming. He is the subject of the sentence. Loves is the verb. And swimming is the complement. In this example, complement is the word swimming. As you can see that the word swimming does not receive any action. However, it is the word that is being talked about. Example 2. John is the police. The police is the complement of the sentence. John is the subject. Is the primary auxiliary verb. Example 3. Cat and rat eat each other. Cat and rat are the subject in the sentence. Eat is the verb. Each other is the complement of the sentence. Example 4. The key is under the mat. The key is the subject. Is a primary auxiliary verb. Under is a preposition. The mat is the complement of the sentence. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our website at acadel.org.